Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Philips Hue Bridge and resync lights, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your Philips Hue Bridge and resync your lights, start by ensuring your Philips Hue Bridge is powered on. Locate the small reset button on the back of the bridge. Using a paperclip or a similar tool, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. You will notice the lights on the bridge will flash, indicating that it is resetting. Once the reset is complete, the lights will return to a solid state. Next, disconnect the power adapter from the Philips Hue Bridge. Wait for approximately 30 seconds, then reconnect the power adapter. Allow the bridge to boot up fully, which may take a couple of minutes. Make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your bridge will use. Open the Philips Hue app on your device. If prompted, log in to your Hue account. Once you're in the app, tap on the settings icon. Select lights from the settings menu. Tap on Add Light to start the process of resyncing your lights. The app will search for your lights. Once detected, follow the prompts to add each light back to your system. If some lights are not found, ensure they are powered on and within range of the bridge. You may need to manually reset individual lights by turning them off and then back on again quickly. Wait for a confirmation that your lights have been successfully added. Once all the lights are synced, you can organize them into rooms if desired. Adjust any settings, such as brightness and color, to your preference. Finally, test the lights to ensure they are functioning correctly and responding to the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.